But Joyce Tubino has been, of course, incredible as a recruit. What an incredible dig there by Ponce. A shoot to the other side. Rebound. Dina back to Tubino with the left hand. Dina to Sisi in the middle. Check ball.
Reception efficiency in game number 1. She was an underrated player in game number 1 because of the performance of Gemma Galanza. Medyo na-overshadow yung numbers ni Kyla Tenza. But there were a lot of instances that she saved Creamline. Dahil doon sa mga depensa at yung mga hinahabol niya na bola.
Right now, it's at 7. Belongs to Choco Mucho. Reaction there. Tubino from behind. Dug by Negrito. Dots, twists. Dug by her former UP teammate. Sisi goes for the angle. That's what I was seeing in the pregame warm-ups earlier. A spike of the set brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bayan. She kept telling her teammates, don't pop. Oh, look at Sisi with an aggressive run on the runway.
Choco Mucho's MVP. And right now, itong si Dina Wong, tinatry niya din iba-ibahin yung position.
Sa gilas on the left side, head channel management programming. Right in the middle, Miss Shanaji Olaso. The channels and content management. Signal TV Incorporated, all in attendance here, watching this Choco Mucho first set win.